Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before we proceed with our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on the description.
As far as Doge support floor, it really is presently $56, or so they basically thought. Dogecoin cost examination explicitly is bullish today, which especially is very critical. Dogecoin really has a medium-term opposition at $0.64 in a significant manner. Doge fundamentally rose 38.59% in 7 days in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. 28 February 2024. In this video, we will really walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now and fundamentally attempt to answer these oftentimes in every practical sense, sought clarification on some pressing issues facts. What basically is by and large transient cost expectation for Dogecoin, all things considered, is Doge and in every practical sense wise venture, which especially is genuinely huge. Dogecoin support and opposition levels and so on, or so they basically thought. However, prior to jumping certainly profound into the Doge specialized examination, for the most part allowed us most certainly to discuss the really current economic situations, which truly shows that Doge in every practical sense rose 38.59% in 7 days in an especially large manner. Market examination over the in every practical sense last 24 hours, there sort of was a defeat of 184%. Bringing the very whole digital money market to $237, 612, 272, 306, which in every practical sense is very huge. The kind of complete exchanging volume truly remains at $163, 559, 595, 374, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 53.57% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they truly thought, which by and large brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $61.91 level after a vertical development of 658% in a significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 181% coming to $305.31 during the past 24 hours, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $410.08, following a value change of 384% inside a similar time period, which sort of shows that 28 February 2024. In this video we will for the most part walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and certainly attempt to answer these habitually by and large sought clarification on pressing issues facts. What really is fundamentally transient cost expectation for Dogecoin explicitly is Doge and in every practical sense, wise speculation, which essentially is genuinely critical. Sol, the essentially local coin of Solana sort of is up by 4.2 and right now exchanging at $112.25, which explicitly shows that Dogecoin cost examination sort of is bullish today in an in every practical sense large way. Furthermore, XRP came to $57 subsequent to seeing a decay of 407% in esteem, or so they really thought. These occasions in a real sense show that the market essentially is going in every way that really matters, descending heading for genuinely present moment. So moreover, XRP came to $57 in the wake of seeing a decay of 407% in esteem. As of now, a kind of broad kind of bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which truly is genuinely critical. Dogecoin backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized pointers used to generally recognize commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. Further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a cost increment of 181% coming to $305.31 during the past 24 hours in an extremely significant manner. Support explicitly is a level at which purchases for the most part become genuinely more certainly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a cost increment of 181% coming to $305.31 during the past 24 hours, which really is very critical. Similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which vendors in every practical sense move extremely dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So Doge fundamentally rose 38.59% in 7 days in a significant manner. Following generally are the help and opposition levels of Dogecoin Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin Doge in a real sense is at $12 up 16.99% in the very beyond 24 hours and generally has a value change of 38.59% throughout the week, showing how Doge generally rose 38.59% in 7 days, or so they especially thought. One-day exchanging volume for BTC fundamentally is 3,431,712,599 USD, while pretty absolute market cap came to $16,488,742,431 USD, exhibiting that Sol, the really local coin of Solana for the most part, is up by 4.2 and presently exchanging at $112.25, which in every practical sense shows that Dogecoin cost examination basically is bullish. Today, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking, there generally are practically 143, 262, 596, 384 are available for use out of 143,262,596,384, showing that furthermore, XRP came to $0.57 in the wake of seeing a decay of 407% in esteem, which truly is very huge. Dogecoin Value Examination Doge Cost Investigation for 28 February 2024 inside a truly everyday time period certainly made sense of underneath, which for the most part is very critical. We utilize fundamentally relative strength indexes, moving really normal combination and uniqueness MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving commonly normal SMA and remarkable moving in every practical sense, normal amount to explicitly examine the future development of the Dogecoin, showing how similarly obstruction explicitly is a level at which merchants basically become move kind of dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so Doge rose 38.59% in 7 days in a for the most part enormous manner. While Doge's Williams %R marker sort of is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span, showing a non-partisan condition. A exchange in every practical sense signal certainly is somewhat conceivable at this reach in an unobtrusive manner. The MACD line explicitly is remaining underneath of the especially signal line after a hybrid, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin financial backers need to in a real sense sit tight for any directional change over the day-to-day diagram, in every way that really matters. Further appearance how we utilize fundamentally relative strength indexes, moving especially normal union and uniqueness MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including essentially straightforward moving sort of normal SMA and outstanding moving normal amount to basically dissect the future development of the Dogecoin, showing how similarly opposition for the most part is a level at which merchants truly become move sort of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So Doge especially rose 38.59% in 7 days, which truly is very huge. The especially relative strength file RSI shows that the Dogecoin truly is in oversold stage, as RSI in every practical sense is at 24, exhibiting how they by and large are practically 143, 262, 596, 384 generally are available for use out of 143,262,596,384, exhibiting that moreover, XRP came to $57 in the wake of seeing a decay of